Yesterday we introduced the number 14. So today we're going to do the number 14 number bond. We've talked this week about how when numbers are bigger than 10, we use 2 10 frames to show that. So you should have your name on your paper at the top and be ready to work with your pencil. Okay, guys, let's start by drawing 14 in our 10 frames at the top of our page. Remember, as you're drawing them, you must say one word for each circle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the number 14 is one whole 10 frame and 4 more. Now today we're going to be using that later when we work on a number bond, so I want you to think about that, okay? One whole 10 frame and 4 more. So next let's work on seeing if the number 14 is even or odd. Remember, when we find out if it's even or odd, we put them in pairs. If everybody has a partner, then the number's even. If someone's left out, the number is odd. So we're going to do 1, 2, circle together. Ready? 1, 2, circle together. 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 Take a look, guys. There's nobody left without a partner. So the number 14 is even. Awesome. So let's move on to our 4 square and draw the number 14. It's just like we drew in our 10 frames. We need to make the circles, make sure they're not touching, and counting as we're drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome job. Let's move on to tallying. Don't forget to cross your 5s. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross for 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, cross for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So when you draw your tallies, it should be 2 5s and a 4. Let's move on to 1 more and 1 less. So 1 more. That means plus 1. We have to add 1. So to do that, we need to start with 14. I'm going to use my magnet circles again, and I need 14 on my pan. Count with me as I put them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have 14. Now it says plus 1, 1 more. So I have to get 1 more circle and add it to see what number that's going to be. So here's my 1 circle. I'm going to add it to my 14 and see how many that gives me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 more than 14 is 15. Great job. Next, I need to do 1 less. So I'm going to take my green off that I added earlier. And this is 14. Now, for my 1 less, it says minus 1. And that minus means take away. So I have 14. And I need to take away 1. Now I'm going to see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 14 and 1 less, take away 1, is the number 13. Okay, so now we're ready to move on to our number bond. Remember, our number bond is a way for us to break apart the big number. Our big number is 14. Now, today we're going to be doing something different, and for all the rest of the bigger numbers that we do a number bond with, we're going to be doing our number bonds differently. Because if we look on our paper, we already have one way where we have broken apart the number 14. It's done right there for us on our paper, and it's right up here. So if we take a look at the number 14 up here in our 10 frames. I'm going to change my marker color so you guys can see this. So I have a 10 frame that's full, and then 4 in the next one. And in all, that makes 14. But I can show that this is one group, and this is another group, right? So I took the number 14 all together and I broke it into 2 groups, or it was already broken into 2 groups for me. How many is in this top group? 10. That's right. It's one whole 10 frame, so it's 10. How many is in this bottom group? 4. Very good. So 10 and 4 makes the number 14. And that's what we're going to put in our number bond. 10 and 4 makes the number 14. Awesome job, guys. For the rest of the page, you're going to trace your number 14s and write it 2 times on your own, and trace the word 14 and write it 1 time on your own.